So Monty, here we are, we're at Gardeners World Live. We are sitting in a beautiful garden. You're a busy person, I'm a busy person. So my question is, how do you garden if you haven't got much time?
So first of all, it's to do with design and organisation. And because I think every garden has its finite limits. You can't do everything. And that's the biggest mistake, and that's when people get into trouble with time.
Yes, you just have to edit, do the things that really matter, that are going to make a difference.
So that's the starting point.
Okay.
Work out what you want this garden to be for you. And then your selection of plants. Now there's a whole world of plants out there that actually take very little tending at all. And they basically set the tone. Now with grasses, you cut them back end of February, early March, and that's it. You do nothing else at all. And they do their stuff. So straight away, that's incredibly time efficient. You've got to be things that you enjoy. It's got to be things that you can sustain. So it's no good if you set out with great enthusiasm doing something and then find you're too busy and you can't get back to it and it looks awful and you feel awful because you haven't done it, and the whole thing is this terrible spiral that goes down here. But I mean, I think the other thing is there are cheats. So for example, grass, if you let it grow long, and then can have a path cut through it. Now, cutting a path takes 5 minutes. You just literally pass through it once a week. You don't need to collect up the clippings, because if you do it once a week, it'll be fine. You've got long grass either side of it. It looks lovely. You know, you can encourage wildflowers if that's your interest. In other words, it can look great. And then it just needs cutting once, no fixed time, just when it suits you, you work it round. Yes, you have to collect it up. It will be an hour or so of work, but that's, you plan for that, or pay someone else to do it. And that's it. That's all you need to.
Great. Well, thank you. I'm sure we will both continue to be busy, but I'm sure we will both continue to love gardening. So
That's the thing, yeah.
Thank you, Monty.
It's a pleasure.